The world is changing as electricity, the engine of that change, becomes more readily available to more people. The electricity so readily available to you at home, school, or work is generated by large power plants. Which fuel is used to produce electricity has wide-ranging implications for our environment, our health, and the price we pay for a reliable supply. In the past, particularly in emerging countries, because it's abundant, easily extracted, and cheap, coal has been the power plant fuel of choice. Today, however, people are waking up to the real cost of coal on human health and the environment. Consider the destruction caused by the removal of entire mountaintops to mine coal. Think about this disastrous breach of a dam containing coal slurry that occurred in Tennessee in 2008. The toxic flood contains concentrated amounts of mercury, arsenic, and benzene. Scientists have warned for decades that burning coal spews an abundance of environmentally harmful emissions into the atmosphere. The comparison with other major fuels is stark. Whether it's carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, or sulfur dioxide, the cause of acid rain, coal measures very poorly against oil and natural gas. The Clean Air Task Force, a US-based nonprofit research group, recently estimated that the tons of pollutants released primarily from coal-burning power plants accounted for more than 7,500 premature deaths in 2014 alone. Sulfur dioxide reacts to ultimately form sulfuric acid, which joins with water in the air to create acid rain. Acid rain pollutes waters, killing marine life, and devastates plant life around the world. Trees that grow at high altitudes are particularly vulnerable to the damaging effects of acid rain. After combusting the coal ash is collected in ponds. These ponds contaminate nearby surface water and groundwater. A Duke University study found high levels of toxic heavy metals, including arsenic and selenium, in surface and groundwater near coal-fired power plants. Even worse, the dams on these ponds can burst and overflow, pouring toxic sludge into rivers and even neighborhoods, with long-lasting and far-reaching consequences for human health and the environment. Coal mining also requires huge swaths of land. The amount of land disturbed by U.S. surface mining is estimated at 8.4 million acres. Mountaintop removal mining in central Appalachia alone has disturbed 1.2 million acres. Not a pretty picture. Conversely, natural gas is produced with fewer resources, far less land, and significantly less impact on the environment. In the 21st century, electricity will be more readily available to many populations for the first time. This growth will be critical to raising the standard of living for millions of people around the world. But the benefits of electricity must be weighed against the need to protect the Earth's environment. If we desire a healthy planet while meeting the world's demand for power, coal is the wrong answer.